Right, this came in the post today. So I'll just look at the box quickly. Does exactly the same that it does in the UK. Oh, it's already connected. And I'll tell you what, you should import things from Japan, the Amazon Japan anyway, because it's a lot cheaper. £120 this controller is in the UK. Imported from Japan, £80. And I'll tell you what, when you get the controller straight away, always update the controller. Go to controllers and sensors and always update it first, because there's some reviews online saying about the stick drift, but as soon as I updated it, there was no stick drift anymore. Okay. Yeah, works perfectly fine. Always said there's stick drift on this side, but no problems at all. Always update the controller. And just as on this side as well. Yeah, nothing. So, to the Tears of Kingdom controller. All good. Yeah, imported from Japan.